Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to fix YouTube error. There was a problem with the server. So if you're facing this error, what you have to do is you have to open up your settings application, and after opening your settings application, search for apps, and after searching for apps, now in the search bar you have to search for YouTube. And after searching for YouTube, what you have to do is now you have to tap on storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. And after doing this, your problem might be fixed. But if this doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is you have to come back to your home screen and then open your Play Store application. And after opening your Play Store application, search for YouTube. And after searching for YouTube, if you can find the update option, you just have to update your YouTube. And after updating your YouTube application, your problem might be fixed. So this is how to fix YouTube errors. There was a problem with the server. So that's it. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.